lordship knows, he would have done.
No, what? How will he live for the sake of maintenance if he quits the job?
No, graduate.
What is she doing?
She is not working.
Why is she not working?
Shit. Each acre costs 2.5 crores. And she has asked only 6 lakhs because
Why is she settling for such a meager amount?
that
when
is
he-
not.
What about the interim order is complied with?
Interim order is complied with,
You have paid all the amounts.
paid, except I don't know, last 15 days I
Yes.
couldn't get in touch with my client. Last month's arrears, has he paid or not, I couldn't get the information because I was not
I
aware.
will hear it on the merits of it. Please argue.
What I submit is this.
Yes,
What I submit is this, trial court has awarded 10,000 rupees per month.
10,000 per month to the wife.
Right.
Huh.
The interim order, this court reduced it to 5,000.
It can't continue
Having-
forever. We have to final pass.
I
final order.
understand that.
Hmm.
All that I would be requesting is that whatever quantum is fixed by this court by way of interim, this thing.
Should be made final.
May be made final and the writ petition may be.
What is the income of
Right
the
now he is
petitioner?
without any job,
Huh?
without any job.
He is
That's
a
the,
mechanical
that is the difficulty he's
engineer.
finding.
Hmm?
He mechanical, my lord. He was working in Bosch company, Robert Bosch. And he left the job as soon as I filed MC petition in 22 April. As your lordship knows, he would have done.
No, what? How will he live for the sake of maintenance if he quits the job?
No, he has, he has stated that they have about 20 acres of land in Kanakapura.
You know?
That is their monthly income, no salary. That is what.
Kanakapura
he
means that's a city.
Kanakapura, yes, 20 acres of land
Hmm.
in Kanakapura, and petitioner is having share. And he residing in the mother's house, how will he stay? His parents, he says he has to take care of them. How
Stated,
will he take care of them?
sta-
He would have joined some other company, that is all.
stated.
Then
What is the education qualification of the wife?
she is a graduate.
What is she doing?
She is not working.
Why is she not working?
She
Are
is,
there any children out of the marriage?
no,
Not-
BA,
Then-
she is a BA graduate.
She should
has-
also work.
She should get a job, my lord. BA, BSc or something, they will get a job. BA,
No, nowadays.
they should be at least
Not be-
smart enough to get a
No, no,
job.
you will not be.
I
you-
agree.
You will not be getting a job, something which you want, but you can get a job to live. For
But
that, there
at
can't be any
lea-
problem.
Yes, I agree, but they should be smart enough to go out and work. She doesn't, she moves with some, her uncle has to bring her even to the court. He has BA degree. He has BA degree.
Yes, what to do?
Aged parents,
Huh?
aged and ailing parents.
Then where will, when you are
That's-
not.
now what I-
how
now
will you
what I
take care of
suggest-
them?
What I suggest is this,
Hmm.
that this interim order passed by this court may be made final. Change of circumstances, liberty may be
Part-
reserved to the wife to come up with a fresh application. That as and-
5% is
As and when I
possible
find a
for
job,
any human
that can be
being to
done
live in
via media.
Bangalore. He
Then
has
no,
20
no,
acres
we'll-
of
we'll-
land.
We'll make it 7,500.
That is too less, my lord. For anyone, he has 20
liber-
acres of.
Liberty may be
I-
reserved as and
I
when
will
there is a
like
change
that
in, if I can get a
20
job.
acres of
Where to
land.
get that?
Your lordship may get it at page number 10, 25.
Yes,
of
Kindly,
this.
kindly come to annexure,
25, my lord.
kindly come to annexure F.
1 minute, yes, 25.
Orders on IA3.
Hmm.
Page 25, monthly income, no salary. Bank loan, liability, bank loan, gold loan. With regard to the income particulars of other spouse working in private firm, residing at mother's house, parents owning 20 acres of land in Kanakapura and petitioner is having share. Each acre costs 2.5 crores. And he is so rich, having 50 crores and not ready to pay. That is all. And even for settlement, I asked, don't give us anything, give us 6 lakhs. That is all what
How much is that?
6 lakhs. She has asked only 6 lakhs because her uncle had performed the marriage. That 6 lakhs had to
As
be
a full and final
full
settlement.
and final. Even that they are not ready to pay. 7,500, how can she live?
Yes,
If that is the offer, then I will just try to advise my client.
I have told them.
No,
6 lakhs.
why is she settling for such a meager amount?
That
when
is
he's
not
having
what
20
she
acres
wants
of
to
land
get
in
off of
Karnataka.
They are harassing her like anything.
Land is worth 2.5
Please,
crores.
please
15.
get instructions with regard to what she has said.